Welcome to the Friday social media countdown, burritos. Oh God, you're my song. That's my song. Let me stop before copyright. What's come on? Welcome, burritos. It's another top 10 social, well, not top 10, top 3 social media countdown. It's the Friday edition. Burritos, thank you so much for all of the positive feedback. Me get all of the little birthday wishes. Then we know to still continue. This is the 10th anniversary of the social media countdown, and I know my goal already. I am aiming for the 300,000 subscribers. So please do what you do and get me there before me get cross. Well, I'm not going to get cross, angry, and miserable. I'm just going to beseech, more and more till you get tired of me. We have some amazing topics to jump into today. A Friday, so we not really get up and a club yourself and get too much stress. We just want to keep it nice and simple and, So let's get into this social media countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender. All them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Hey burritos, I need your help. The channel is currently at 297,000 subscribers and I want to get to 300,000. That's a big mark. Now I know you might be wondering why you don't reach 300,000 subscribers already when you have all of this amazing content on the channel. Well, it's because y'all not doing a part. Wanna love the content, so play your part. Subscribe to the DuttyBerryShow YouTube channel today. Thank you very much in advance, all right? Yes, road to 300,000. Whoa! Number 3, celeb par, Midlands River. Okay, burritos know, so it is no new news and nothing surprising, alarming that foreigners, American celebrities love to visit our shores. We've seen Beyonce, we've seen Jay-Z, we've seen Rihanna, we've seen Will Smith. Anybody who's anybody, they've all come to Jamaica, right? And so to keep that trend going, recently we had American social media influencer comedian, funny boy Mike, who visited the island and did a one bag of tour and skits. You can go and check him out.
Yes, sir, man. Jamaica has been a blast. Mr. Valentino. And the ladies and the driver, they took care of me.
Yeah, man.
Wait, hold on. I think I got something left. 63,000 Jamaican dollars.
Yeah, man.
Make sure y'all have a blast.
Thank you.
Share it with your guys, thank you. And we're out.
Thank you, bro.
Funny Mike in Jamaica, giving away shoes.
My boy say, you say leave these with you? You can keep those. Oh, you size 9? Yeah, that's you. Real business, man. Yes, Lord. He say leave him with him. So I'm gonna leave him with him. You know, big motion. Time's out. I'm scared. Come on, baby. 1, 2, 3. For the lifestyle, huh? For the lifestyle.
And also we had the rapper, the controversial rapper there who did yeah man, DaBaby. He visited Jamaica for Mocha Fest. You can see him here.
Run the video, man. Respect, let them know I'm here, man. Rude boy. Rude boys in the building.
Yes, as well as the big energy American rapper Latto. She visited our shores and was seen, photographed on all of the beach. You see her like a red, green and gold. Jesus, come on, not me knowing my Jamaican colors. You know what? I was just mixing up with the Rastafari. Okay, it's still in there. The black, green, and gold. Yes, so let me know what you think about all of these celebrities visiting our shores. You think it's a good look? Or you feel like they need for us go somewhere else now and give Jamaica a breeze? I am here for it. Jamaica need the money, so continue to forward, okay? Don't put that in the video.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want.
And number 1 goes to Plastic Rice. Plastic Rice. People in all my years on this earth, me never think some would live to see them type of corruption here in my potential Sunday dinner. So from what I hear, videos of Asians creating this thing called plastic rice has been making the rounds on Facebook. Then the time of the day, Jamaicans just there say, "Cha, I find something that we nah fake we." But me what not, lo and behold, it are reached Jamaica. Cause it just no say it legit when they make the local news.
Well, now the complaints have reached home.
So I saw it on Facebook and I never knew it was this serious. I never took it serious at all. Until this morning my neighbor wake me up out of my bed to come and show us all of this.
Her neighbor says she went about preparing her Sunday dinner this morning, but found that the rice in her pot didn't feel like it usually does.
You see, since then, every Chinese restaurant get the side eye. And you see who got a restaurant them stop by the rice. A strictly low meng, them a order. Or them still go and end up a cuss off the Chinese owners them like this.
Miss, you ever cook rice and it turn this yet? Why? You talk too much. You chat too Why? How are you feel like?
Boy, oh boy, if only we could have get Miss Lickly in this.
Where I go?
Casco mackerel and plastic rice. Personally, me not really too understand why Jamaicans so upset and vexed over the whole plastic rice situation. Because we have been tasting plastic rice throughout the history of our culture. As while me not too in the kitchen cooking something, and enough time me pass kitchen and see something I look like this, or this, pan top of the rice in the pot I cook. And this them get the idea from.
Number 2, kids graduate. All right, now, so there has been a trend now where the parents and the school teachers decided to ask these kids, the kindergarten kids, those at the elementary level, what do they want to be in El Futuro? What do they want to be in the future? And people, the answers are hilarious. Look.
Aria Aldridge.
I want to be pregnant.
Sammy Boyer just wants to do what my mom says.
Kason wants to work at Walmart when he grows up. His favorite thing about kindergarten was playing games. Kason is receiving the iReady Math certificate and his kindergarten diploma.
Cadence wants to be a gas station worker.
Isaac C. When Isaac grows up, he wants to work at McDonald's.
Why one of the pit them say them want to be a McDonald's worker? I you know what took the cake? What took the cake was one of the little girl them who shared that she wants to be pregnant when she grows up. That is her aspiration in life. Oh, Lord have mercy. Like, no, I think my girl I think she meant to be a mother, but she just never know the correct word and the correct term. Oh, Lord. Like, I think this is not uncommon. When I was younger, well, when I was younger, I did still want to be a doctor. When I was younger, I had a certain level of profession. I wanted to be a pilot. Then I wanted to be a nurse. Then at some point, when I was in 7th grade, I wanted to be a sex therapist. So yeah, I went through some professions, and here I am today doing YouTube. Yay! Yeah, so with all of our aspirations, but many of us don't actually become the things that we wanted to be when we are, or when we were like infants. But Berrydos, let me know in the comments, what did you want to be when you were a kid, and what are you actually doing now? Sound off below. This is for the 10th anniversary. So, you know I've talked about Deja Resort already. That is where I stay whenever I'm in Montego Bay. It's a quaint spot, a nice, let me tell you, like it's very cozy, very intimate. It's right across the road from Doctor's Cave Beach. and it is all inclusive. You can go there with your friends and your family and have a nice, jolly old time. And the food is top tier. Anyway, I digress. And so what Deja is doing for the 10th anniversary is that if you book from now until the end of May, you pay only $100 per person based on double occupancy. Yes, man, a sweet deal, but you have until now to the end of May, that's the 31st of May, to book so you can qualify for this deal. And all you have to do is just use my personal code that is Berry10. Berry10 for the burritos them. Bomba, look at bars, that is it. Berry10 for the burritos them. No, just use Berry10, that alone. I just rhyme because I feel like me a DJ for Magnum Kings of dancehall, okay? Yeah, and so the travel window is from now until June 30. And so for more information, please just send them my email, info@dejaresort.com. Okay, remember the special unique code, Berry10. Ta-ta! Oh gosh.
Hi, my name is Angelisa McDonald, Sales and Reservations Manager here at the Deja All-Inclusive Resort. The all-inclusive family-owned property, Jamaican of course. Of course, we're 5 minutes from the airport, free access to Dr. Skate Beach, 100% Jamaican staff, Jamaican food, and Jamaican entertainment. So come on down and check us out, because the Jamaican begin right here, so.
And number one goes to Animal Run. Woo! Yes! Praise God. Yes, number one goes to Animal Run now. But I forgot to pick up them 2 videos here now because the animals them are out and stunning. So this first video now, I don't know what came on as parking, right? When they're thundering down the street to the furlong to go, but look, it is, look, looky, it is making her way around the furlong to go, and then she's coming on, but look on the right side, there is American Pie coming on, American Pie is coming there, but looky, make it with a stretch on American Pie, there, so go. Yeah, I used to practice when I was younger. I really wanted to be that. I wanted to be the horse commentator, the racehorse commentator when I was younger. But anyway, so they decided to not go to Caymanas. They're going to bring it to their community. So the 2 men have them asked, and this is what they gave. Look. This is what you talk about community enjoyment, involvement, and just a sense of, satisfaction from all of the persons who were in attendance. That's how people must have fun and festive, okay? You know, if you have the big money, but you can't bring the big money to you. That is it, right? And so, we got them 2 racehorses there. And now, this next video now picture it. You're in the middle of a football match. There is peace, there is tranquility, there is just, excitement in the air. And in the middle of that, a cow decided to move its way onto the field. Watch! No, we know we hear about the cow jump over the moon, but we never know about the cow that just run onto the field like this now. Come on, man. You can't imagine one cow give a salad? You would have never lived that down, But you know how my thing started? You remember that long time commercial Was it chiffon? I don't want butter commercial. It's something like, what you got again? It's like, she's
eating up our greens. It makes our butter taste sweet.
Oh, Anchor butter, that commercial. The cow them did Indira kick. I do not know what them did I do. Them did I kick the ball when they go for the lyrics of the song. So I feel like this cow come from them generation of ballers. And so he just wanted a space, a platform to show off him skills. He never mean no harm. So justice for the cow. I never name him after. Can you imagine? Them get vexed to the cow and just literally go cook him and what them name him. This would have been like, no man, me that actually call Peter Pan them now, because that would have been really wicked. That is, what you call that, Gene? What you call that? Murder with intent? Premedicated. Bomba, you're more premedicated. But let me just invent one term, premedicated murder. Well, anyway, readers, let me know what you thought of these two animals, the cow and the horse, you know, involving themselves in the community. So down below. Well, that's it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. It's a Friday. Hopefully, you don't have plans for the weekend for go out and enjoy yourself. Remember, if you not work the 9 to 5, you don't need to make sure so you have a life as well. All work and no play make some part of your body full up with cobweb. I feel like as a countdown I go year by year, I feel like I become more careless and less conscious. And I need to remember that y'all are wholesome people that are very much well-behaved, disciplined, and trained. That, you know, are walking around with halos. We don't expect to know for they have a taboo. We don't expect to know for know about cookies. We don't expect to know about Harburn Road or Crossroads at midnight. I don't expect to know for know these things. Y'all should not know things like Hub. You get me? Y'all should not know about late night Twitter, because I know that we are all angels here. Right, Burritos? Alright, so that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure to say you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe. Tell a friend to, you know, be a part of the Countdown family. To follow me on all my social media platforms from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. And remember the Deja promotion to get the special discount. Use the code BERRY10. Okay, take care until next week.
The dirty, yeah, the berry, yeah, the juicy, yeah, the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them talk me, how what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.